Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a coherent aesthetic so everything looks intentional. Pick pastel, neon, or minimal and stick to it. Once decided, gather a 1920 x 1080 wallpaper, an icon pack, and a matching cursor image so you have assets ready. Enable Chrome OS flags or developer options only if needed, because that unlocks advanced theming. Then, install a customizable launcher or browser theme to apply visuals. This first step sets the palette and structure for every change you make next. Now you customize the deeper visuals. Apply your wallpaper and adjust display scale so icons and text feel proportional. Move the shelf to the left or bottom to match your layout. Once done, install theme extensions and replace system or app icons with your chosen pack so everything reads as a set. If you want websites to match, use stylus or custom CSS to recolor pages. Make sure to test contrast for readability while maintaining style. Finish by polishing small details. Swap system fonts for a clean typeface, tweak cursor speed and animation, and add a matching sound theme for cohesion. Once done, back up your settings and asset folders to the cloud so you can restore the look quickly. If something goes wrong, extension conflicts or broken flags, disable the last change, restore the profile backup, and reapply customizations one at a time. This isolates the issue and gets your Chromebook's aesthetic back fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.